best for you? Do you really need an RO? What is the truth about mineral water? How most water purifying companies are misleading you with their cheap marketing tactics. Watching this video till the end, you will get answers to all these questions and you will be able to easily decide what is best for you and your family. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Water is important for life and one of the essential elements of human existence. Although in the modern era, misuse of water bodies, growing population, industrial development and environmental degradation has polluted the water. As a result, installing the best water purifier has become a necessity rather than a luxury. But with so many options in the market, with every brand claiming that their technology is the best, it gets really hard and confusing to choose the best water purifier. But not anymore. Let's briefly discuss the technologies available in the market. First technology is RO. The most common among all is RO or reverse osmosis. Today for most people, water purifier means RO. It is a powerful technology which can purify the most contaminated, even salty water in just one go. In RO system, water passes under high pressure through a semi-permeable membrane with pore diameter as small as 0.0001 microns. This allows only water molecules to pass through it. With such minute filtration, 90% of the impurities, heavy metals, microorganisms are removed, and what you get is almost pure, sweet, transparent water which is also devoid of natural minerals. Second technology is NF. Nanofiltration works fairly under the similar principle of RO but with a small difference that its pore size is 0.001 micron. So obviously it will be able to remove less impurities than RO, but unlike RO, it does not change the taste or mineral content of the water. Third technology is UF. UF or ultrafiltration is a technology which filters the water without the use of electricity. In this, the water passes through a hollow fiber membrane with a pore size of 0.01 microns. Through ultrafiltration, we can remove the impurities from the water without changing its natural mineral content. This technology is very similar to plant tissues absorbing purified water from dirty subsoil water. UF is much cheaper than RO, but its downside is that it cannot be used at places where there is very hard water. Now, the above technologies may be best to remove the solid and chemical impurities, but may not be able to kill the tiny microorganisms, because of which water purifiers are recommended along with a UV chamber. In this, there is a chamber which uses a powerful UV lamp. When the water passes through it, the UV rays in it kills the tiniest of bacteria and viruses, making it fit for consumption. Now that you know about water purification technologies, the next question arises that how do I determine which technology is best for me? The answer to this is very simple. All you need is a TDS meter. Let's quickly understand what TDS is and why it is important. TDS is the most misunderstood term in this space. TDS means total dissolved solid is the measure of dissolved minerals, salts, metals and impurities in the water. As TDS also includes the naturally occurring minerals in water like calcium, phosphorus, potassium. One thing which is clear is that lower the TDS, the better the water is not true as most people think. According to Bureau of Indian Standards, water up to 500 TDS is safe for human consumption. To dig a bit deeper, ideal range of TDS lies between 100 and 300. If you are drinking government treated water, then it is most likely that your tap water is in this range. TDS between 300 to 500 is acceptable, but TDS less than 100 is not ideal as it is devoid of most minerals. And it's sad to know that today most people who drink packaged drinking water thinking it to be mineral water has a TDS of only about 15 to 20. You can yourself experiment this. This is because most companies are just giving you demineralized sweet RO water. And obviously because RO technology purifies hardest of waters. They just have to set up one plant and they are ready to roll. They don't care about the minerals in water. They just give you pure water, or rather waterless water. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not entirely against RO technology. RO is a phenomenal technology which was actually developed mainly for the marines so that they can readily purify salt water of the sea and drink it. RO was basically meant for survival, not for everyday home consumption. But some companies are just making money by creating fear among the people, a pure case of capitalism. Then there are some companies like Tata whose Himalayan water is actually mineral water which has TDS of about 250 but is sold at pocket ripping prices. I did another experiment where I tried to dissociate the minerals of packaged drinking water through electrolysis, and it was an eye-opener. Okay, once you have the TDS meter, which you can easily buy offline or online, just check the TDS of your tap water. Now if the TDS comes out to be less than 500, in that case you can be sure of the fact that you do not need an RO water purifying system. Using RO here will significantly decrease the TDS further and bring it to non-ideal state. You will be totally missing out on minerals and water won't be water anymore. It will just become thirst quenching liquid. Let me make things simpler for you. If the TDS of your tap water comes out to be less than 300, you should get installed UF technology filter, which will remove the minor turbidity and other chemical impurities. Along with UF, you can also get installed UV to kill the microorganisms if any. So under 300 TDS, UF plus UV is best for you. Then if the TDS of your water comes out to be more than 300 but less than 900, then you should get installed an NF. Along with NF, as it is membrane based, it is recommended to get installed UV, as there are more chances of microorganisms entering the water due to membrane rupture with time. And if the TDS of your water comes out to be more than 900, it's only then you need to get an RO water purifier along with the UV. Surely you will lose out on minerals, but you have no choice due to poor water quality. Although you can make up for the minerals to some extent by storing the RO water in clay pots or copper jugs. Yes, clay and copper has the property to dissociate its mineral content to the water retained in it. Now before I recommend you my picks for the best water purifiers in the Indian market, let's empower ourselves about how big brands like Tent, Aquaguard, Eureka Forbes and many others have made a mess out of this marketplace by creating 10-15 products just to build out a business. With their cheap marketing tactics, they are making money out of people's ignorance. I'll give you 5 straight reasons. Number 1. Some big companies claim to provide you the purest of water by giving RO, UF, NF all in one. This is a joke. Logically, even a layman can tell you that once the water is passed through a strainer with smaller holes, there is no point in passing it through a strainer with larger holes. And when you ask the same questions to the representatives of these companies, they give you funny answers. Number 2. Another marketing gimmick is TDS controller. When these companies came to know that people are getting aware of the fact that RO gives very low TDS water, they came up with this very silly concept of TDS controller. If you check what it really is, you will find that TDS is nothing but a bypass valve worth ₹50. What it does is that it mixes a part of very low RO water with your normal tap water, and what you get at the end is a high TDS water. What really is the point of this? Number 3. Next is about UV chambers. To earn profits and to win the competition by delivering the water purifier at cheapest price possible, many companies have started to sell UV based water purifiers with aluminium chambers in them and not food grade stainless steel chambers. The problem with aluminium is that it releases aluminium oxides which are known to be damaging to the brain. Also, a UV chamber should be placed horizontally and not vertically so that it is able to kill bacteria and viruses more effectively. Number 4. Another very common feature claimed by these companies is 7-stage, 14-stage filter process. Obviously, for someone who does not know much about water purifiers would think that more filter means more pure water. Although it's nothing more than a marketing gimmick. No matter how impure or hard the water is, a water purifier requires not more than 4 stages: sediment filter, carbon filter, membrane, and UV chamber. If the water purifier company claims to have more stages, then it is just trying to hook more customers and earn more. In this case, what these companies do is that they add few more small filters which serve no purpose whatsoever. Number 5. Alkaline cartridges is another buzzword in this market space. Don't fall for this as well. RO water is slightly acidic. To curb this, companies have come up with alkaline cartridges which change the pH of the water chemically, which may be more harmful for the human body. So now you know the real game behind this enticing water purifier market. How these companies are ripping pockets out of common man's fear and innocence. Okay, now if you say that all this information is good, but I do not have the time to go through every company's water purifier. Based on this information, what are the best water purifiers in the Indian market? So let me share with you my honest pick, some of the most genuine water purifiers that I found in the Indian market. I have linked all these water purifiers in the description box of this video. You can buy them according to the TDS of your tap water. So it's extremely important to drink pure water as it reduces the toxic burden on the body and keeps us away from the diseases. But it is even more important to choose the right water purifier. Being a lucrative market, the companies who had no business making water purifiers have also jumped into this space. But we need to be smart enough to choose what is best for us and for our family. I want to thank Auric for partnering with us for this video. You can now ditch the colas and opt for a healthier beverage that supports digestion, builds immunity, and promises to give you glowing skin. Auric brings to you 3 drinks, one for the skin, second for the mind, and third for the body. Each of these drinks is 100% plant-based, made with a concoction of powerful herbs like ashwagandha, brahmi, shankpushpi, gotu kola, aloe vera, amla, along with tender coconut water and juice concentrates. These ready-to-drink beverages have no added sweeteners, no artificial flavors, no colors, no preservatives at all. 100 ml of Auric will give you just 14 calories, and for sure it's among the healthiest packaged drinks in the market. The company promotes their drink as anti-aging beverage, which actually helps improve your skin, mind and body if consumed daily for 24 days. Buy Auric at 25% discount.